How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you tuned into yesterday's video, you remember that for today we had a slight risk for severe weather. Well, the thunderstorm area now goes from Oklahoma, or Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, Kentucky. The marginal risk is from Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Florida. We have a slight risk in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and a little bit of Florida. And we now have an enhanced risk, level 3 out of 5, for parts of Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama. So, hail, we, we have a 5% chance of seeing hail 20 or 1 inch diameter or larger the 25 miles of this area in brown. Wind, we have a large chance, no, a large 5% chance of seeing winds of 50 knots or stronger within 25 miles of any given point in this brown. The yellow is a 15% chance of seeing strong winds of 50 knots or stronger within 25 miles of point in the yellow. And we do have a 30% chance of seeing winds of 50 knots or higher within 25 miles of point in this red area. And for tornadoes, we have a large 2% chance of seeing a tornado 25 miles within any given point in the green. Same thing in the brown. We have a 5% chance of seeing a tornado within 25 miles of any given point in the brown. We also have a 10% hatched risk. So not only does this mean a 10% chance of seeing a tornado within 25 miles of a point in that yellow, it's a hatched risk, which means there's a probability that we could see an EF2 to EF5 tornado within 25 miles of a point in this yellow area today. So, for those of you who are new to the channel, my criteria for going live is if we have a 10% chance, 10% hatch risk or higher of seeing a strong to significant tornado. I don't know if I'll go live for this today. Just for the simple fact of I don't know what times those storms will be firing up, but I for sure will be posting on my Facebook when the alerts come out. So be on the lookout for that. If you don't have me on Facebook, if you're not following me on Facebook, my Facebook is just my first name, last name. It's the same profile picture as the YouTube profile pic. So can't miss it. Jumping ahead to tomorrow's outlook, we have a marginal risk in Florida, Alabama, and Georgia. Probably not much happening. Tornado. Okay, so we have a 2% chance of seeing a tornado within 25 miles of point in Florida, Georgia, Alabama. Wind, we have a 5% chance of seeing winds of 50 knots or stronger within 25 miles of a point. And hail, less than 5% in all areas. I do want to jump to the day 4 outlook for Saturday because looks like we are on pace for a large scale severe weather or tornado outbreak for Saturday, February 15th to Sunday, February 16th, as we have a large 15% chance of seeing severe weather. I believe this will be your slight risk, and we have a pretty large 30% chance. So I believe this will be your enhanced risk. So by day 3, we'll probably have a slight risk and an enhanced risk. So I would not be surprised if by day 2, so I would not be surprised if on Friday we see a moderate risk, with it being 4 days out and there's already this much confidence in there being severe weather. I wouldn't rule it out for the SPC and the National Weather Service. But let's go to pivotal weather and just see if we can find the timing of these storms. So yeah, Nebraska got its fair share of snow today. and last night and today, and it's not done. So, see, no hazard type, but you can see the photograph shows that there's possibility. Obviously, this is the storms are still pretty far, fairly far out, but we go to the severe weather. If we look at the cap, there is doesn't appear to be much of anything stopping any storms from getting fired up. And we do have a bunch of wind shear coming in to help with these storms. So if any storm can get fired up early enough and strong enough, it could start to rotate, becoming a supercell. If we look at the supercell, I mean, hey, I'm not gonna rule out the chance of a potential tornado outbreak today. Now, no, a tornado outbreak means 10 or more tornadoes have to be confirmed for it to be considered a tornado outbreak. So I would not be surprised if we see a tornado outbreak today and we see an even more large scale severe weather and or tornado outbreak on Saturday that I will most likely, I still don't know my plans, but most likely I will be live for Saturday's event, as that could be a 15% chance or 15% hatch risk or larger for tornadoes. So I will keep you guys updated on my Facebook page about that when I know what I'm doing. So let's see if we can find Saturday. No, you'll be looking in this area right here, the Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama area. Or, and yeah, I mean, this is showing what looks like. Yeah, yep, yep. Yep, and this is looking like a pretty wonder. There'll be a cap behind the storms, obviously, but it's not looking like anything out in front of the storms. So that's gonna be the one thing that. Hmm. But yeah, um, so yeah, Saturday has the it's looking like it's gonna be a fairly big active day, potentially along with today. A lot of my reports will be on my Facebook page. Against my first name, last name, Colton Wissenberg on Facebook. So if you're not following me there already, go ahead and give the Facebook follow so you see the alerts for today. But and yeah, I think that'll do it. Thank you guys so much for love and support on the channel. Appreciate it. Keep it up. We're now at 54 subscribers. We gained one last night. Like I said, the goal for February is 60. We've got 17 days left until the month is over. So let's see if we can get 6 more within 17 days. Um, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, maybe consider hitting that subscribe button, clicking the notification bell, liking the video. It helps the channel, gets the channel out there to more people, helps the channel grow, and spread the love. Yeah. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.